this video, we're going to look at how themes can be useful as part of your renewals. So if we look at the search tab here, and if I click on the score funnel, I can see that 17 and 16 pick up clients that were booked in a previous themed issue. They're not in this issue, and 17s have no future bookings, and the 16 show us has future bookings. So if I want to isolate those clients, I can click on the little drop down here and select 17, and that's going to bring up all the clients with a score of 17, and you can see here under reason, booked in previous theme issue, not in this issue, and no future bookings. Likewise, if I switch it to 16, it'll display just those ones, and these are ones who do have future bookings, but they're not in this issue. If I put it back to all, the other option is you can actually type themed into the search box, and that's going to bring up both the 16s and 17s together on the page. It's just another way of targeting clients who you know were booked in a previously themed issue, and they may be interested in coming on board for your next one.